So, welcome to this Thursday Prolight and Sound Day, and I say good morning to you outside on the devices, and I'm very glad to welcome Eric Loder, Director of Sales from Elation, and the new guy at Elation, Matthias Hinrich. So, say about something about your role and your position, or
Well, first of all, I'm very happy to be sitting here with my good friend Matthias. We used to be colleagues together, and now we're working together again. And we had a very unique opportunity to bring Matthias aboard to Elation, and he's getting going. And here at Frankfurt, a lot of familiar faces, and it's been a lot of fun working together again here at the show. So.
what is your position there? Are you a product manager for everything, or for the M series consoles, where we talked about a little bit later? Or?
Yes, Eric and I know each other for quite a long time. For 15 years ago, we started working together. I came in January as the product manager, with primarily going to be focusing on stage lighting, automated lighting, moving heads. And now that we brought the console range along, I also will be helping and supporting the efforts there to make sure that we continue our development, which was the job at the previous company.
Yeah, and M series has a new home. You bought the range from Martin. So, what was the idea to do that, and what can we expect in the future from that?
Yeah, I think the M series is a ideal opportunity for Elation because it has a very strong user base around the world. It has a wide range of products, which fits well into the Elation portfolio. And it's a product that we're excited to take to the next level. And there are a lot of users, as you say, out there, but they need some love and they need some support. And Elation is ready to give that. Along with Matthias, we have the entire development team on board with us now. And they're in our office in Europe and coding away and working on the software improvements that the market is asking for. So it's an exciting time, and it's a process, but here at the show, the feedback's been great, and the customers are really excited about the future of M Series.
Actually, the entire development team just arrived and is standing at the booth, enjoying how much attention they're getting from Elation and how much customers are excited that there's progress and that the range really has found a new place that really believes and wants to grow it and continue the developments. And we do all the support, service, everything will be handled from Elation worldwide going forward now.
Yeah, you said that there's already a big fan base for the M series console, and you already said that you will support them great. So do you have ideas, so a network or...
Yeah, we have a very strong Facebook community. We have really good user forums, so there's a real active... It's really, we as a manufacturer don't have to do all that much, because really people really love working with it and they support each other, which is really the perfect thing to have for a product like this. So we want people to really help each other, and we see just really a lot of activity with like thousands and thousands of posts coming in, and it's like really fast how quick people from all over the world are really jumping in and saying, hey, I'm new, I want to learn this, I'm experienced, I have a very specific problem, and it's really nice to see how much people help each other.
Yeah, and I've been impressed just talking to the customers, getting the feedback directly at the show. I've been with Elation for 12 years now, but I've kind of been in the market and watching how the market develops, and having Matthias there, he's like the rock star, as far as the M series goes. So it's a people business, and Matthias has a great relationship with a lot of the users out there. So we want to obviously continue that, but we want to build on that going forward. So it's exciting.
Okay, do you already have some topics in mind where the development of the M series console or the range is?
Yeah, I mean, definitely. There's been a lot of feedback. We already have a plan for software improvements that the guys are busy working on, and the software is already very stable and people like it, but they need features. They need some new improvements, so we're working on that first.
Yeah, beside the M series console, what can the visitors see if, at the booth?
So we're presenting a whole range of actually new products in this market. For the first time, we show a really, really high-end, bright LED profile fixture with the artist Picasso. This is the brightest LED fixture Elation has shown. It's probably the most refined fixture they've done. It has great optics, great output, wide zoom range. It's like a really good workhorse fixture that ticks all the boxes you need for live production, rental, theater, television. That's really a good all-around light. So we're really, really excited to show this here, and the feedback's been very, very good on this.
Yeah, the Picasso is our top-end fixture in our lineup now, but we've also developed a new fixture called the Smarty Hybrid, which is using a new lamp technology. Most of the developments in the industry lately have been LED, but discharge lamps are not dead. There's some new technology coming in the discharge lamp field, and we worked closely actually with Philips to develop this lamp and offer a longer life, more energy efficient solution for discharge, up to 6,000 hours lamp life in a hybrid moving head fixture with color mixing and, again, feature packed but small, compact. The feedback we get from the market is people want brighter, smaller, faster products, and the Smarty Hybrid ticks all those boxes. So the feedback's been great at the show on that product.
That
yeah,
sounds very interesting.
That's also the smart name comes when it has a smart lamp system that automatically hibernates the fixture when it's not open. You can actually adjust the wattage on it, and depending on at what level it's run, it automatically calculates its lamp hours. And then the maximum is, as Eric said, 6,000 hours. It's like a really long lamp time for a hybrid fixture like this.
That sounds very interesting. So people stop by at the Elation booth to see that. But you also have a big range from of outdoor fixtures. So what is the feedback from the people, and what do you expect in that?
Elation made a big commitment a few years ago to start making more IP-rated fixtures, IP65. More and more productions are going outside, and customers of ours have been taking their IP20 fixtures, indoor fixtures, taking them outside in projects, and sometimes hoping and praying that it doesn't rain, or using domes or some type of protection technology to protect their product. We developed a product series that's designed to work outside, and our new Proteus series has been received very well. The Proteus Hybrid is now one of the most specified outdoor moving heads on the market, and it's designed to work in those conditions. And the rental companies are really embracing that now and seeing the value in that technology.
Yeah, for me, the IP-rated fixtures and the innovation that Elation has really shown on that's probably one part that I found really exciting about joining Elation, because it's not a product that you find everywhere, and they spent a lot of effort to really refine that. Especially like Proteus Hybrid and Beam are like really, really unique fixtures in the market. And besides that, they just offer a really great palette of even like theatrical fixtures, LED, LECO type products, blinders. So there's a really nice range of IP-rated outdoor fixtures, which are true production fixtures. So it's not like an architectural light that you try to make work in like a arena tour, an outdoor tour. Here you can actually get really fixtures that work and feel like a proper production fixture, but you can actually use it outdoors. We see so many designs where fixtures are really hanging out in the elements. I just spoke to a friend who was on tour with Phil Collins. He said, they were playing in South America and lights would just get rained on really badly. And this is actually, we really offer something really unique in the market there. You can just place them everywhere. You don't have to worry about it. So that was really a big part for me to where I really felt that Elation is really looking out for the customer and trying to innovate and offer something unique in the market.
So if you want to know a little bit more about the Proteus Hybrid, so we had yesterday a video with Björn Herrmann, lighting designer, and Mark Petzold from LNP, especially about the Proteus Hybrid. So scroll down the timeline on Facebook and watch the video. So and at the end, I wanted to hear from you, what is your vision for the future from the side of lighting and
Well, the vision we have is it comes from the market and the feedback we get from our customers and the lighting designers. One thing that's important, is with Matthias on board, he's the glue between our product development team and our sales team and the customers. And he takes that feedback, filters it, and helps us look for new innovations, new technologies to implement for the ideas that the customers have. We are playing with a lot of LED technology. We have a LED phosphor laser product as well. That's unique in the market. Our IP, we're going to continue to develop IP fixtures. We see that trend continuing, and you can see the market following. And of course, control innovations. We believe there's a long way to go with lighting control and networks and protocols, and we want to be at the front of that as well. So I think that's our main focus is going forward.
Okay, so Eric and Matthias, thank you for your visit and our production partner Facebook Live Studio here today, and we see us later to the next video. So I say bye-bye.